I'm going to be sharing with you a platform that you can actually make 40,000 naira in 2 weeks. And the good thing about this platform is that you can actually withdraw to your Nigerian bank account. That is, if you're in Nigeria, or if you're not in Nigeria, or if you're in Ghana or any other country, you can actually withdraw it to your local account number. Okay, it is that easy for us to use. If you're still broke in this time of the economy, if you're still broke in this 2025, that means you are the cause of it. All right, if in case you're not hearing me clearly, please increase the volume. I have this microphone, but it's not working on my phone, so I don't know what to connect to. It is not working. All right, now let's take a look at this money that I make from this platform. This is just my 1 week earnings on this platform. I am not just joking, and I don't hype nonsense here. Okay, I bring legit platform to us so that we can make money. I take my time, and then I go through the platform to see how we can withdraw and how we can do everything on the platform before we just come here and give updates. Okay, so if you have not been taking my updates serious, I say you better start taking them serious, because they are very very serious. It will fetch you a good amount of money in this year 2025. Okay, so if this is your first time of seeing my face, hello, you're welcome to my channel. What we do is talk about legit money making platform, and then I talk about how we can grow our YouTube channel. Okay, so if this is anything close to what you want to see on your screen, hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube will push this video out to as many people that want to make money in this year 2025. With leaving the link on the description box or on the comment area. So all you need to do is to hit on the link on the comment section or on my description box, and then it will take you to the platform. All you need to do is to download the app. This app is called Clickworker. All right, so I'm going to be telling you everything you need to do before you be able to earn on this platform. Now, I need you to listen to me carefully. Once you've successfully registered on this platform, you will need to set your profile right. Fill in every information that they will need from you. Don't be scared, all right? Put in your password and everything in process of registration. After you're done registering, fill in your profile informations, okay? Put in every damn thing that they will ask you to put on this platform. So when you're done, go ahead and fill your payment method. Like I've said before, you can actually withdraw to your bank account. So just go ahead and fill in your bank account details there. Now, before you're able to fill in your bank account details, you must have up to 20 euro, all right, on the platform before you're able to put in your payment details on this platform. Alright, before you're able to make withdraw on this platform, you have to have up to 20 euro on this platform before you're able to place a withdrawal on this platform. And that is where you'll be able to put in, they will allow you to put in your direct account details so that you'll be able to withdraw to your bank account on this platform. Alright, so it's very simple to navigate. So after that, you'll be needing your thing, okay? That is tax identification number. You'll be needing it. So anytime you want to get it, just go and get it. Get it for yourself. Alright. There's a site for you to register and then get your thing verification number. Alright. So if you don't put this your thing verification number, you're not going to allow you to withdraw. So bear that in mind. Before you jump into this sites, bear all these things in mind. You will need your thing number, all right, because we're going to. So once you successfully set your profile right and put in your tin number, all you need to do is to go ahead and do the jobs that is made available for you. It depends on how serious you are. I'm telling you, you can make good money out of this site. So without wasting your time, let me go to the site and show you these jobs that you need to do so that you can start earning on this platform, guys. Let's go. Once you've registered successfully, this is where they are going to take you to. Say welcome to, Clickworker. Your data is safe with us. Kinikon. This is when you've put in your password, your email, your username and everything. This is the next stage that they're going to take you to. When you get to this phase, you're going to do all these things. I mentioned earlier in this video that you are going to set your profile. So all this thing I'm showing you is just the process of setting your profile, okay? So once you are here, like I said earlier, you are going to put in your payment details, okay? Now you can see enter your payment details. So when you click on it, they are going to take you to a place like this. So now in this place, I told you now that you'll be needing your tax identification number. All right, that is your thing. All right, your tin number you get. So this is where you add in your payment and your tax identification number. Without this your tax identification number, they are not going to let you withdraw your money. So you can be doing your tax while going to look for your tax identification number. All right. So the first thing first, you will need to add your, your payment details, and then you put in your tax informations here. Yeah, that is your tin number and everything you need to do. So once you click on the payments, this is where they are going to take you to add your payment method. This is where they are going to pay you, take you to. So as you can see, the payout frequency is 7 days. It takes 7 days for your money to arrive in your wallet or your bank account. All right, and that is the minimum you can withdraw from this platform. All right, so as you can see, as I click on that, it shows me action required. All right, so this is just it. Say please submit your tax details. So this is a must. You must submit your tax. Your tin number is a must. If not, you will not be able to withdraw. I'm laying emphasis on this place so that tomorrow you not come and say I tried to withdraw, I did not, I was unable to withdraw. So make sure you put in your tax identification number. So these are some various taxes that is available on the platform. Anyways, I tried to make um the registration process from the beginning, but I think the site doesn't allow that because I was screen recording it, but it wasn't working. So I said let me just show you guys the tax that is available, and every other thing that you need to know about the platform. So these are the tax that is available. Sometimes they might ask you to put in snap picture of your child or your grandmother or something. All right, so these are just simple tasks that you need to do. Do you understand? Just to snap your pictures and put, and they pay in big. If you convert it to Nigerian naira, just do the calculation for yourself. The money is big. All right, some taxes might pay you 10,000. Some taxes might pay you 15,000. Some taxes might pay you 5,000 naira, 10,000, 20,000 naira. It depends on the tax. All right, so it's very easy and easy to navigate. So you are need to put your phone number as well. Do you understand? So I'm just showing you these various things so that when you get to the site, it will not be difficult for you to navigate. All right, so like I've told you before, the taxes are very, very, very simple for you to perform. Some they pay 0.01 euro, and if you convert it to Nigerian naira, you will know how much this euro costs. I hope I'm right though. This is euro sign, right? So this is it though. Like this one, that they say show us your baby stroke child. If you can show your baby or your child all the picture that you used to snap and post on Facebook, TikTok, and everywhere, you can just post them here and make money. YouTube fetch you a good amount of money. So anyway, so this is just everything. Once you do this tax now, this is how much they're going to pay you, €2 per job. Do you understand? And make sure you adhere to their instructions, because they are going to give you instructions. So look at this. To participate in the job, you need to be a parent. Don't snap another person's child and come and put here, because hey, they might come for you. Do you understand? So this is basically everything. Read instruction. Any task that you want to do, make sure you read instructions very well before you start though, so that it will not give you any issue. This site is free. You're not paying any money just to cash out from this platform. No, it's just free, totally free. Do you understand? So anybody can come in and then make money from this platform, provided you have a good data system. All right. So as you can see, my